As a worker in the modern industrial space, you face a tough environment that presents a wide variety of challenges. From water treatment plants to refineries and power plants where you work, you depend on respirators to help you perform and keep you safe while you're getting the job done. At 3M Scott Fire and Safety, we put in the time, listening to you, so we can develop the products that help afford you peace of mind when safety counts. Safety is paramount in hazardous work environments. The 3M Scott Ska-Pak supplied air respirator with an escape cylinder offers ease of use and versatility, providing respiratory protection for applications like turnaround and maintenance operations, or for entering and escaping from IDLH environments. Our 3M Scott Ska-Pak respirator models are compatible with the 3M Scott mobile air cart solutions, providing a convenient air supply for 2, 4, or 8 respirators simultaneously. The 3M Scott Ska-Pak AT is one of 3M's most advanced supplied air respirators. By connecting to an external air source and utilizing its escape cylinder, the Ska-Pak AT offers extended wear times and reliable respiratory protection in challenging conditions. If external air pressure drops, it switches to the escape cylinder with its hands-free automatic transfer capability, helping to reduce worker distress. At the same time, the VibraAlert tactical vibration and audible alarm signals the need to evacuate by warning of the switch to cylinder air. The 3M Scott integrated full-body harness combines 3M's fall protection technology with the 3M Scott Ska-Pak supplied air respirator. Designed to perform in harsh conditions, this integrated solution is suitable for confined spaces and working at height applications. Combining the respirator and fall protection harnesses eliminates extra bulk, resulting in less weight and a slimmer profile. Its enhanced comfort features provide workers with fall and respiratory protection in hazardous environments. The 3M Scott ISCBA provides rugged, dependable IDLH respiratory protection. The ISCBA is ideal for tough turnaround applications that could involve tank cleaning. It offers a high-strength frame for heavy-duty use and minimal padding designed to simplify cleaning. When escape from hazardous atmospheres is necessary, the ISCBA is designed to be easily deployed from storage cases, and its durability and reliability help to provide the confidence you need in critical moments. The 3M Scott ACSI SCBA features the advanced carrying system with a Thermoflex padded back frame molded to fit the spine and back muscles for increased comfort and flexibility during longer duration use. It can also be configured with an extended duration airline for added versatility. Additionally, the ACSI pneumatics can be removed from the harness without any tools, enabling quick turnaround and decontamination via washing or replacement of the backplate and harness. The 3M Scott Airpack 75i SCBA offers the ability to customize the SCBA with safety features that are found on more feature-laden NFPA-compliant SCBA, making it ideal for emergency response applications. 3M Scott's user-focused approach adds redundant safety features, including VibraAlert EOSTI and a dual redundant pressure reducer to help provide assurance and increase situational awareness and safety in responding to uncontrolled environments. The Airpack 75i offers critical safety features that are useful in confined space rescue applications. For example, the 5,500 psi option enables the lowest profile cylinder for increased maneuverability in tight spaces, and the Airpack 75i can connect with other air supplying devices in emergencies. Additionally, our 3M Scott breathing apparatus solutions are compatible with the 3M Scott AV3000 SureSeal Facepiece, enabling top-down convertibility to use a single facepiece across multiple respirators and helping to reduce total cost of ownership. Being prepared for emergencies is essential in hazardous environments. The 3M Scott ELSA Emergency Escape Breathing Device, EEBD-N, is designed for simple use, quick donning, and ease of training and maintenance, helping workers to quickly and safely escape toxic environments. Available in 5 and 10-minute durations, the ELSA EEBD-N offers options for different escape routes, providing flexibility for various emergency scenarios. The ELSA EEBD-N stands ready to protect workers during unexpected incidents. With the 3M Scott ELSA Respirator, you can trust in a reliable solution for emergency escape, providing peace of mind in critical moments. At 3M Scott Fire and Safety, we understand your dynamic and demanding environment. That's why we prioritize safety and put our customers first, serving them as if their lives depend on it. Because sometimes they do.